Hey, Sage, you look really happy today. What's going on?
Do I? Well, you know what, Ash? I just had the best cup of coffee this morning. And the weather is so nice, it just puts me in a good mood.
Ooh, coffee does that to you, huh? I'm more of a tea person myself, but I totally get it. There's something about a good morning that just sets the whole day right.
Exactly. You know, Ash, you always notice these little things. That's what I like about our conversations. It's never boring with you.
Oh, thank you. That's sweet of you to say. You know what? I feel the same way. Talking with you is just easy. It feels natural.
Well, speaking of natural conversations, that's actually perfect for today's topic.
Oh, really? What are we talking about today?
We're going to explore daily conversations between friends. You know, the kind of real English that people actually use when they're just hanging out, chatting, being themselves.
I love that. This is going to be so helpful for our listeners. Because you know what? When you're learning English, sometimes the hardest part isn't the grammar or the vocabulary.
Right? It's knowing what to actually say when you're just being a friend.
Exactly. Like, how do you start a conversation? How do you keep it going? What do friends really talk about?
Mm-hmm. And that's what we're going to practice today. We're going to show you real conversations, simple words, natural flow. And hey, if you're listening right now, you're already doing something amazing. You're taking time to improve your English.
That's right. And we're so happy you're here with us. So, Sage, let's help our listeners feel more confident talking with their friends in English.
Yes, let's do it. You know, Ash, I remember when I was learning a new language, I was so nervous about talking to people. I knew a lot of words, but when I tried to have a real conversation, wow, it was hard.
Oh, I totally understand that feeling. It's like you have all these words in your head, but when you open your mouth, everything just disappears.
Yes, exactly like that. And you know what the problem was? I was trying to sound perfect. I was trying to use big words, complicated sentences.
But that's not how friends talk.
No, it's not. Friends talk simply. They use easy words. They laugh, they ask questions, they share feelings. It's comfortable.
That's such a good point. When you talk with a friend, you don't need to impress them. You just need to be yourself.
Right. And that's what we want our listeners to remember today. Don't try to be perfect, just try to be friendly and natural.
So, let's start with something really basic but super important. How do you start a conversation with a friend?
Ooh, good question. Well, the easiest way is to ask how they are. Simple, right?
Very simple. Like, hey, how are you? Or, how's it going?
Yes. Or you can say, what's up? That's very casual and friendly.
Mm-hmm. And here's something interesting. When your friend says, I'm good, how are you? You don't always have to give a long answer.
That's true. You can just say, I'm great, thanks. Or, I'm doing well. Keep it simple.
But if you want to share more, you can. Like, I'm good. I just finished work and I'm so happy it's Friday.
Everyone loves Friday, right?
Oh, yes, Friday is everyone's favorite day. Okay, so let's practice this together. Our listeners can repeat after us. Ready?
Ready. Repeat after me. Hey, how are you?
Good. Now say it with me. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Perfect. See? That's already a conversation. Two sentences, and you're talking like friends.
It's not scary at all when you break it down like this. Now, let's imagine a real situation. You're meeting your friend at a cafe. What do you say?
Ooh, I love cafe conversations. Okay, let me show you. Imagine you walk into the cafe and your friend is already sitting there. You can say, Hey, sorry I'm late. The traffic was crazy.
That's natural. You're giving a reason, but you're keeping it friendly, not formal.
Right. And your friend might say, No problem, I just got here too. Or they might say, Don't worry about it. I was just checking my phone.
See how relaxed that is? There's no stress. You're just two people happy to see each other.
Exactly. And then you might say, Have you ordered yet? Or what are you getting?
Mm-hmm. Asking about food or drinks is a great way to keep the conversation going.
Yes, because everyone loves talking about food.
That's so true. Okay, let's practice this cafe conversation. Listeners, are you ready? Let's try it together.
Repeat after Ash. Hey, sorry I'm late.
Good. Now say it with me. No problem. I just got here too.
Excellent. Now say it with me. Have you ordered yet?
Beautiful. You're doing great. If you're still listening, type yes in the comments. We want to know you're practicing with us.
Yes, please do. We love reading your comments. Okay, Ash, let's talk about something important. What do friends actually talk about?
That's a great question. Friends talk about everything, but usually it's everyday stuff.
Right. Like, you might talk about your day, your work, your family, your hobbies.
Or maybe a movie you watched, a song you heard, something funny that happened.
Exactly. It doesn't have to be deep or serious. Sometimes the best conversations are about small things, simple things.
Like, I saw the cutest dog this morning.
Yes. And your friend will probably say, "Oh, really? What kind of dog was it?"
And just like that, you're having a conversation about dogs. It's easy.
It's so easy. You know what, Ash? I think a lot of learners worry too much about topics. They think, oh, I need to talk about important things.
But you don't. You just need to share what's on your mind.
Yes, and if you don't know what to say, you can always ask your friend a question.
Ooh, questions are so helpful. They keep the conversation alive.
Right, like, what did you do today? Or have you been busy?
Or, did you see that new restaurant that opened downtown?
Perfect. Questions show you're interested, and everyone likes to feel interesting.
That's so true. Okay, let's practice asking friendly questions. Listeners, repeat after me. What did you do today?
Good. Now say it with me. Have you been busy?
Excellent. One more time. Did you see that new restaurant?
Wonderful. See how natural these questions sound? They're simple, but they work perfectly.
Now, let's imagine another situation. You're at work and you're talking to a coworker during lunch break. What do you say?
Hmm, at work, you want to keep it friendly, but not too personal. You might start with, "How's your day going?"
That's good. Or, are you having a good day?
Yes, and they might say, "It's okay, pretty busy, but not too bad. How about you?"
And you can say, same here. I have a lot to do, but I'm managing.
See? You're sharing a little bit, but not complaining too much. It's balanced.
Right. Because with coworkers, you want to be positive but honest.
Exactly. And then you might talk about something fun, like, any plans for the weekend?
Ooh, weekends are always a safe topic.
Yes, everyone loves weekends. Okay, so let's practice this work conversation. Listeners, are you ready? Let's try it together.
Repeat after Sage. How's your day going?
Good. Now say it with me. Any plans for the weekend?
Excellent. You're getting so good at this. Tell us in the comments which sentence felt easiest for you. We really want to know.
Yes, please share. We read every comment, and we're here to support you. All right, everyone, take care of yourselves.
Have a great day and keep practicing.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you in the next episode.